Hello Team TFT, welcome back to Wednesday's Daily Market Outlook video. We're going to go over yesterday's price action, see what happened in the market, and we'll see what we could be looking for possibly for today's price action. But firstly, we'll jump over here to the economic calendar as always and see what we've got coming up for today. So we can see here, today is going to be looking pretty clear, pretty good to go. We do have a little bit of red GBP news at the moment as we speak, but as for the rest of it with like the open of the London, we do have obviously that little bit of GBP news, but regardless of that, the rest of the day is looking pretty good. So yeah, it should be good to go for trading today with no real risk of any red news. So basically, we on the 15-minute yesterday, we had marked out these areas of imbalance that we're expecting the price action to move into. Obviously, did clear that imbalance, had a rejection, come up, wicked above it again, pulled back down. Wicked all the way back up. Again, though, keeping that 15-minute high there. And then obviously continued downwards as we anticipated down to this lower area here that we have marked out. Looking to come down, obviously, and break these further, either down, coming down further to fill in this imbalance area here on the 1 hour chart. So we can start to see we do have this big imbalance area here that we're looking for. So basically looking for it to come down and start to target these imbalance areas here. So basically, again, today, same sort of thing. We did have some aggressive price action there yesterday. So we'll dive into that on the 15-minute chart. Now we can see here today that the Asia high here has come up and filled in a little bit of this, most of this imbalance here. Now, is that enough for us to continue to drop from here? Or could we possibly see a comeback up further and tap into the range of this sort of last candle before the thrust there moving down? So basically looking for more shorts today to come down into fill that higher time frame imbalance area. So we either pull up and to come down further, or we continue down like that on the dollar. Euro USD. So Euro yesterday, as anticipated, we did draw out this area here of imbalance, looking for it to get tapped into. Obviously tapped, pulled away, come back down a little bit further into this origin candle before the thrust. Obviously tapped into that perfectly and then started marching away from there. So basically, we then got that long move that we were anticipating for. Again, out on the 4 hour, we are looking for a possibility to pull up a little bit higher into this imbalance here. So we have sort of tapped it on the 15-minute here. We can see here that was one of those big rejections that we saw out of yesterday's price action, was a tap into this imbalance, but definitely would love to see it get up a little bit higher into that imbalance area before possibly looking at selling back down, or obviously continuing on higher again to higher prices. So as we can see here, we have been bullish, broken this trend high. We've pulled right back down and now we're starting to pull back up again. So we could obviously in this area determine, are we going to continue short from there or are we going to break long? So we need to be sort of determining that. But at this point in time, still looking for it to sort of continue upwards. So having a look at the 15-minute trend here, we can see through here this last high, we have come down and tapped that with our Asian low today and sort of move back up. So we could be looking for a possible move down lower into this, again, this sort of last candle before the thrust, pulling down into there with where those orders are sitting and going long from that position. Or we could be seeing a break and a retest to go long from that area. Again, it's just a sort of a wait and see scenario, see what we're going from there. But with the 4 hour being bullish, 15 minutes still being bullish, we're just going to continue on with that trend. So yesterday, the GBP pair, we were obviously again looking long. Yesterday, we did sort of get a bit of bearish price action, then recovered during the New York and have continued to obviously close still below yesterday's Asian session. So again, showing a little bit of sign of weakness there. where the euro's obviously quite strong against the dollar at the moment. But again, we need to be following the overall bias at the moment, and we can see here if we zoom out on the 4 hour here. Again, we've had the break, we've had to pull down the retest, we've pulled back up, set a low, a higher low on the 4 hour here. Failed to break the high, come back up, failed to break the high, and failed to break the low. So we're kind of in the middle here at the moment. So basically, I would be kind of holding on euro, on GBP, sorry, until we either see a break of this low or a break of this high to give us a bit of a trend confirmation, because we have had this pull down, pull back up, pull back down, and then we've sort of stayed internal range there at the moment. And we are very close to halfway in that range at the moment. So we definitely do not want to be trading around that halfway of the range. Waiting for a break to go long or a further breakdown to go short. So basically waiting for that range to break and see what we can get from there. Anyway, guys, thank you again for jumping on today. Always appreciate the support that you guys are giving when you're jumping on and watching these videos. Please like and comment if you are enjoying the content that I'm putting out. And I'll see you again on tomorrow's video. Thank you. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen's Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.